Hello guys, welcome to Tech Bits with Aniket. In today's video, we are seeing why AI engineers prefer Python over other languages. So, why Python? Because Python is the most popular programming languages in AI engineers. It is easy to use, it is very highly flexible, and has a vast collection of tools and libraries. Unlike many other languages like C++, Java, Python has a simple and readable syntax. It makes easier for developers to write and understand the code. So let's see in details. One of the Python's biggest strength is its powerful AI and machine learning capabilities. It works smoothly with top AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, which are essential for building smart applications nowadays. These tools helps developers create AI model faster without worrying about complex coding structure. Python also allows developer to focus more on creativity and problem solving rather than solving errors and finding good libraries. Instead of spending time on complicated technical details, they need to focus on to write the code. Since it is widely used in the AI community, there are plenty of tutorials, forums, and open source resources available, like our videos, to help anyone from beginners to expert learning and grow in AI development. Because of its simplicity, efficiency, and strong community supports, Python is the number one language chosen by AI engineers. The properties are simplicity, readability, it is beginner friendly, it has rich ecosystem, it has faster development, means pre-built frameworks eliminates the need to write complex algorithm from scratch. It is focused on problem solving is the main thing there. Python allows you to run scripts on GPU, making computations much faster than a CPU. Here I can share my experience with GPU. When I started working on deep learning models, first, I worked on CPU based computers. At that time, I need almost 2 to 4 hours to run one deep learning model. But when I used cloud based GPUs like Colab and Kaggle, they have a particular their cloud based platforms. So at that time, I need only 20 to 30 minutes to run that same model on GPU. So because of that, I save my 2 to 4 hours. Also, because of cloud platforms, the GPU memory is easily accessible for me. So those are some plus points with GPU. Those are my experience with GPU. Let's see next the power of Python libraries. Python is already easy to learn, but what really makes it a favorite for AI, data science, and web developers? It's a huge collection of ready to use libraries. The very popular libraries in Python are NumPy and Pandas. Those are used for data manipulation and analysis. Then Scikit-learn. It is for implementing ML algorithms. Next one is TensorFlow and PyTorch. It is for deep learning and neural networks. NLTK and Spacey. It is for natural language processing. Matplotlib and Seaborn. Those are for data visualization. Think of Python libraries like Toolbox. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can use pre-made tools to speed up your work. Want to analyze data? Just import pandas. Need to train an AI model? TensorFlow and PyTorch are right there for you. For example, if you want to work with numbers, you need to choose NumPy. It's very simple. If you need to visualize data, Matplotlib helps. You can create by Matplotlib beautiful charts and graphs and all. If you are web developers, then Flask and Django have got your back. Those are very simple and easy. This is why Python is a top choice for developers, whether you are working on AI, automation, or even you are game developer. There is a library for everything. So if you are started learning or thinking you need to learn Python, or you are already learning Python, make sure to explore its libraries first. They have saved times, your efforts, and they make your coding very easier and help to build you amazing things faster. You can see popularity of Python. My our next slide. We have collected some graphs. Those are from the internet. Not we have not analyzed the data, but you can see that first graph. It is the some kind of programming community index. By this graph, you can clearly understood that the Python is on 2005 and 2010, then 2015. It is continuously growing, and after 2015, they have sudden growth in Python as per programming community index. We have second graph there. The popularity of each programming language is based on share of tutorial search in Google, like this tutorial, and those tutorials are made on Python languages. The percentage is 29.9. None other language is near that percentage. That data is from 2020, but yeah, it's still valid. Now let's see Python over other languages. Other than Python, there are lots of languages. They are good languages also. They have, for example, Java, JavaScripts, C++, Blocky, Swift, Ruby, HTML, CSS, Lua, Scratch. But still, one question is obvious that there are so many languages, but why Python we need to choose? Or why Python AI engineers choose already? It's a great question because Python is simple, easy to learn, and has a very powerful libraries that we saw earlier. They have TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. You can write fewer lines of code and it gives you amazing results. It is not happen with other languages. You need complex coding with that. Absolutely, Java and C++ are great, but they require more complex coding for AI tasks. Python, on the other hand, lets you focus on building models rather than worrying about syntaxes. C++ is faster in raw performance. Obvious that they C++ is used for production purpose, but AI engineers prefer Python because it is balanced speed with easy to use. Python can integrate C++ for high performance tasks when needed. So you will ask, Python wins for AI? Yes, exactly. Python is the best choice for AI because it is flexibility, community support, and powerful tools. I can say that. That's why companies like Google, Tesla, and OpenAI use it. So it's time to start learning Python. Yes, you can start anything, anywhere. and from anyone. Python is the future of AI, so we need to master that. Now let's dive into future of Python in AI. As we see, Python is already the most popular language for AI and machine learning, and it is only getting better day by day, year by year, month by month, because it's simple, easy to learn, and has a powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn that makes AI development super fast and efficient. With AI growing in areas like self-driving car, healthcare, robotics, Python is leading the way, not just using the Python in those areas, but Python is leading the way here. More companies and researchers are relying on it to build smarter, more advanced AI systems. And the best part is the Python community is huge. People are continuously improving it, creating new AI tools, and making it even more powerful. So, if you are thinking about AI, Python is the way to go. The future of Python in AI is bright, and if you are learning it today, you are already ahead of the game. Let me know if you want any help. I am uploading videos on daily basis, on weekly basis. You can message me in the comment box there. I can try to resolve your questions. Let's see about community of Python in AI. Python isn't just a programming language, it is a global movement in AI engineering. AI engineers, researchers, and developers from all over the world contributes to making Python better every day. Whether you are beginners or an experts, there are always someone ready to help. From more open source libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch to AI forum, hackathons and meetups, Python's community is always buzzing with innovations. You need to solve the problem, just ask on Stackflow, join the Python Discord, or check GitHub. GitHub has a very versatile amount of information related to Python and obviously all other programming languages also. The support and collaborations in this community are what make Python the number one choice in AI development. So if you are into AI, you are never alone. Someone with you always. Let's see which communities are available. There are open source development. Python is free and maintained by volunteers. It is a voluntary work. Active forums and supports like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and Python Discord community. Conferences and meetups. There are PyCon, EuroPython, PyData events worldwide. It is happening daily, weekly. You can see on the internet or their particular pages. You can follow Medium also. Contributors and developers. There are thousands of contributors to Python libraries and frameworks. You can be also in future. Beginner friendly. There are lots of free learning resources and mentorship opportunities. Diversity and inclusions initiatives like Pi Ladies, Django Girls, and Num Focus promotes inclusivity. Collaborative environment, GitHub, GitLab, and other platforms host thousands of Python projects, and many more communities are available on internet. I have not included those in this video, but you can find out all over the internet. Some are free, some are paid, some have ratings. Actually, Python communities are the place where Python engineers level up their knowledge, skills, and network, exchange their technical publications, coding tutorials, and other learning resources. So just go to the Python developers community, or just search on LinkedIn or search on net. You can get many more of them. Yeah, that's all from my side. So, what is the conclusion? Is the Python number one language? Yes, it is the number one language. That Python dominance in AI development is driven by its ease of use, fast community support, and unmatched library ecosystem that we saw in previous slides. So, yes, definitely Python is the number one language. Thank you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can follow my YouTube channel also for more videos. Thank